What's happening, party people? New episode of Pasty-T Garage coming at you. Today, we are not really working on the car, but we're going to be doing a unboxing. I got this part here, ordered it from Flyin Miata. Basically what it is it is a pinch seam portion that you put on your jack so that you can lift up the car. What they say is, you know, you can put it in the middle of the chassis. You can lift up both one side all together at one time. That's kind of cool. We're going to check it out. So, I have my jack here, and I have something similar. So there's this piece that I had for a long time, and as you can see, it has a little bit of wear, but basically this will seat up on the pinch seam. It's got little magnets so it can grab on, and you know, you got your little jack pad sits on there. That's pretty good. You gotta crawl underneath, so you can see the pinch seam right here. It will work on there pretty well. As you can see, the magnets hold it up. So I kind of like it. It's pretty nice. Got it off Amazon. This is the Flyin Miata exclusive or specific one. So we're going to see how that works. Because what they say is that there's two different... There, let me set this up here. Boop. What they say is there's two different widths. Look, Flyin Miata, thank you for your purchase. Very nice. It looks like it comes with a little bit of, some swag. Oh, as I drop it. So, this is it right here. As you can see, there's two different thicknesses. One is just for general putting it underneath the car. They say this one actually sits up on the pinch seam, so we'll see. It's supposed to hug it. Oh yeah, it does. So yeah, so that hugs it. Basically, it's an interference fit, so it fits on there. And then the other one is so that you can have it where the jack will just go up and down. I like that. I believe this is Delrin, if I'm not mistaken, which if you're not familiar with Delrin, it's just like a really, really thick plastic rubber. Yeah, it's rubber. Sorry, it's like a really, really thick, hard rubber. Very resistant to chemicals and wear and tear and that kind of stuff. So basically you shove this on your, you know, underneath. Shove it on there for the interference fit. They said it, I don't know, for some reason it's not fitting very well, but yeah, it just goes up on there. Get the jack ready to go. Jack it up. Now, my car is lowered, so I don't know if it's actually gonna fit. I might have to use like get that sitting there. Oh, it barely fits. Barely fits. That's actually pretty perfect. Yeah, as you can see, barely fits underneath. And then you can confidently jack up the entire car. Yeah, we're not gonna go up all the way. I mean, you get the point. But yeah, super cool. It was pretty inexpensive. I don't remember it being, I don't know, 15, 20 bucks. But you can see, fits pretty well. It's tight. And it just falls out. So yeah, super short video. Just wanted to showcase this part that I bought from Flyin Miata, specifically for Miatas. But I'm pretty sure since it has the two different size widths, you can use it on a bunch of other cars. I'll give you an example. So this one is about as thick as the bigger one. The bigger size down there is thicker, so you can use this on Toyotas, you can use this on Nissans, because I use this red one on the Nissans, the Toyotas, Fords, all that kind of stuff. Anything with the pinch seam, it worked on. So this will definitely work on the same thing if you're looking for that, specifically for Miatas, but can work on other cars. So super cool product, but that's gonna do it for me today. So I appreciate everybody for joining me on this really short video, just showcasing this product. Check it out, drop a comment below if you have any questions, and yeah, we'll see you in the next video.